In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add bullet point in Gmail. Bullet points make your emails easier to scan, keep ideas organized, and help your readers find what matters quickly. I'll walk you through the exact clicks you need, plus a few helpful tips to make the process smooth. Start by signing in to Gmail in your web browser. Once your inbox loads, look for the Compose button, usually in the upper left. Click it to open a new message window. You'll see fields for the recipient and subject at the top, and the main message area below. Click inside the body of the email to place your cursor where you want your list to appear. It can be right after your greeting or anywhere within your message. A simple way to set this up is to first type the items you want as separate lines. Press Enter after each item, so each one is on its own line. This makes converting them to bullet points fast and accurate. Now use your mouse to highlight those lines you just typed. With the text selected, look along the bottom of the Compose window for the formatting toolbar. If you don't see it, click the formatting icon to expand it. Then, open the formatting options drop-down if needed, and choose the bulleted list icon, the one with 3 small dots and lines. As soon as you click it, Gmail will turn the highlighted lines into a clean, bulleted list. From here, adding more items is easy. Place your cursor at the end of the last bullet and press Enter to create a new bullet, then type your next item. You can keep pressing Enter to add as many bullets as you need. When you're finished with the list and want to return to normal text, press Enter again on an empty bullet to end the list and continue writing your email. A couple of quick tips to keep your list clear and readable. Keep each bullet to one main idea. Start with a strong action word if you're outlining tasks, and avoid long sentences that look like paragraphs. If you find that a list would be better as a numbered sequence, the formatting toolbar also includes a numbered list option in the same area. That's it. Log in, compose, type your items, highlight them, click the bulleted list icon, and press Enter to add more. With these simple steps, your Gmail messages will be cleaner, more professional, and easier to read.